How to fix login or sync issues in ClassDojo. First of all, check your internet connection to make sure it's stable and working properly. A weak connection is often the main reason why ClassDojo fails to log in or sync data. Next, try closing the app completely and reopening it. If the problem persists, clear the app's cache from your device settings by navigating to the Apps section, selecting ClassDojo and tapping Clear Cache. This often resolves minor glitches. If clearing the cache doesn't work, ensure that you are using the latest version of the ClassDojo app. Open the Play Store, search for ClassDojo and tap Update if an update is available. Using the latest version ensures compatibility and fixes many common bugs. Another step is to log out of your account and log back in. Make sure to enter your email and password correctly. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password option to reset it. Finally, restart your device. This simple step can often solve temporary issues affecting login or syncing. If none of these solutions work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling ClassDojo as a last resort. Now you know how to fix login or sync issues in ClassDojo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more educational apps. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.